All right, so let's take a look at the new GoFormative. I already have a formative built, so let's start at the student view and let's see what GoFormative looks like from our student's point of view. I'm going to copy this into a new window. And it looks like it's going to take a second to load. But Formative lets you add questions into documents that you already have, your curriculum documents and things like that, PDFs, Word documents. You can slap questions right on top of those docs. And then students can draw on top of documents, draw freehand. And then there's multiple choice that is automatically graded and all kinds of things. So Formative is pretty cool. It's GoFormative.com, but casually known as Formative. So the first thing that I notice is the document that a student is looking at is titled Continents and Oceans Training. And the first one they see is draw the state of Texas and label the capital. So I'm going to click on Show Your Work. And it's going to take a second, but we're going to get, oh, never mind, it is loaded up. I have these tools over here on the left-hand side. So I can pick a color. Let's pick orange. Looks like peach, actually. I have my line thickness, my squiggle or toolbar for the pencil, line, square, circle, text, insert an image, do the selection, and then there's erase and then undo. So let's start by drawing. This is going to be really bad, you guys. I'm going to draw the triangle state of Texas. So let's go up this way a little bit. There we go. And I'm going to click on the text button, or we're going to do Austin as the capital. So that's it. Up here in the top right-hand corner, click on Done. And there, I'm done with question number 1. Let's look at what is the smallest state by area in the United States. I bet it's Rhode Island. So there's an example of multiple choice. Here we have open-ended question. What ocean is between Asia and the Americas? Let's type the Pacific. And then notice that the next question is also fill in the blank, but I have a map with some guidance. So question number 4, fill in the blank, refers to this continent, which I'm going to guess is North America. 5 is South America. 6 is Africa. 7 is Asia. I hope I spelled and got all those correct. Last one is Europe. Last, we have number 9, which is a sentence structure. I'm actually not going to read the instructions. It looks like I do a subject, predicate, and verb. I'm not going to look into those. I just want you guys to notice that I need a blue box. So let's pay attention to the blue square. All right, I clicked on my color, and now I'm going to click on the square, and I can click on, draw a square around something. Next up, I need a underline, which is going to be purple. Again, I'm not taking time to look at this sentence. There's a line. Notice that it's straight. I can start at one side, end at the other. And then we'll do a light purple circle. I can almost pull off that oval, but it's going to be more of a circle shape. So there you go. So let's do it one more time. Circles. We want blue squares. And we want dark purple lines. Again, I didn't look at those directions. I'm more focused on teaching you guys how to do this. So next up, let me click on done. Obviously, if I want to erase, I can do that. If we're going to want to get more advanced, there are images. I think you guys get the point though. And obviously squiggle was the state of Texas drawing, which was really bad. But anyway, let me click on done. And then this is where it also gets very interesting. Math teachers, where you guys are trying to plug in multiple choice questions in different areas of different worksheets. For example, 2 over 5 is equal to what fraction over 15? Well, 5 times 3 equals 15. So 2 times 3 equals, I don't know, 6. 4 times 11 equals 44. 3 times 11 equals 33. And these are fill in the blanks. I'm not going to try and do this math. 9 times what equals 81? 9. 9 times 8 might equal 72. And then let's get this last one wrong on purpose. Let's say it is 21. All right. And this is a repeat of the other question before. So as you can see, I have multiple choice questions, which give the kids a chance. And then these are actually graded. I have hand input the answer that I want for number 12, and I believe it's 72. All right. And if this one is wrong, which I believe I answered it wrong, it will also get graded incorrect because I have input the specific number that I want. All right. We're going back up. There's where we can draw squares, circles, and underline. To do sentences. Here's some social studies, just plugging in numbers over a map and turning those into questions. Very cool. And then open-ended questions, multiple choice, just straight up questions with no documents, no help. And again, we started off with a blank slate. Just show your work, just scribble. So that is it. This is what your students are going to see. And in the next video, let me go and show you guys what the teachers are going to see. Again, this is GoFormative, and I hope you guys like it.